Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this phone charm come bag charm, whatever you want it to be. I know I've done one of these already, but I love making the tutorials. This one features a lovely strawberry bead. We've got bow bead, hearts, stripy, and these are all acrylic beads. I added these to the website last night. I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, where you'll find ready-made jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. You'll also find these bag stroke phone charms to purchase. I have got lots of new stock that I've added, and I've got lots of lovely stickers as well. So if you like your stickers, you like your journaling, go and check them out. They're really nice. We've got some beads here. I did show you in a previous video the container of different beads that I have. There's all sorts in there and you will find some of these. Obviously the stock changes all the time, but I'm just going to use some embroidery thread today, but you can use whatever you have. It's obviously not stretchy, but you can use whatever you have lying around. So I'm going to measure and cut myself 30 inches. I know that sounds an awful lot, but remember we have to tie the top, and we have to, obviously when we finish, be able to tie it off. So we've got 12, 24. Okay, just snip that off. Also, if it does start fraying, you can just snip. Now I am going to use this bent beading needle of mine. Just move the ruler, put both ends together, and then we're going to tie a knot at the top. Probably going to do 2 to 3. Let's see what that looks like. Make sure you go over the existing knot. I think I'm going to do another one as well. Just don't want any beads falling off. A big hello to all my new subscribers. It's lovely to have you here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button. I've got lots of tutorials. Do you like my dish? My strawberry dish? I saw it today and it was reduced in a shop, and I thought that is ideal for my beading. So colourful. I love strawberries and I have amazing strawberry charms. Just wait until you see it. Right, let's make a start. So I'm just going to thread this needle. These needles, I say thread, they've got a tiny hook on the end. Let's do a pink. Make sure we do them the right way. Right, I think we'll have a clear one of this. I'm trying to follow the pattern of the one I've already got so I can use the same images. We'll add our lovely strawberry bead. Isn't that so cute? We'll have a pearl bead. Heart bead. So that's that side. What projects are you working on at the moment? Right, I'm going to just cut some of this off. We didn't need as much, but I just wanted to be safe. So what I'm going to do is tie simple overhand knot. See, we don't want no gaps. Now we're going to go over twice to do a surgeon's knot. I'm going to do one the other way. And one for luck. Just snip that off. There we have our bag stroke foam charm. I've got my bag here. There's our there you see, on our bag. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you do have a go at making them, remember all my social links are down below. If you want to tag me on Instagram, I would love to see if you've made any, what they're like. We all got different tastes. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.